Once upon a time, in a jungle so grand, lived a colourful parrot named Band. With feathers so bright, red, green and blue, Band had a dream. Oh, what could he do? He flapped his wings and chirped with glee, but Band wanted to talk, like you and me, to say hello and how are you, to join in conversations, both old and new. One sunny day, in the jungle so green, Band met a wise old owl named Queen. Hello, dear Band. What's on your mind? Why do you chirp and not words find? Band fluffed his feathers with a thoughtful squawk. I want to speak, I want to talk, to have a chat and not just squawk. Oh, wise Queen Owl, please help me walk. Queen Owl chuckled, her eyes so wide. Learning to talk, let's enjoy the ride. Repeat after me with a flap and a hop. Say hello, let the words drop. Band blinked and tried, with a beak so keen. Hello, he squawked, a bit unseen. Queen Owl smiled. Good start, my friend. Now let's learn more. Let's not pretend. So off they went, in the jungle so grand, Band and Queen Owl, a talking band. They practiced words, one by one. Please and thank you. Oh, what fun. Band giggled. Please, thank you. And hi, I'm a talking parrot. Oh me, oh my. Queen Owl nodded. You're doing great. Let's add more words. It's not too late. Days passed by, with lessons so grand, Band practiced talking across the land. He chatted with monkeys and chatted with bees, even with snakes up in the trees. But wait, what's this? A banana peel. Band slipped and squawked with a wobbly feel. He flapped his wings, a feathered whirl. Oh dear, I've slipped like a silly squirrel. The jungle creatures laughed with a giggle and a cheer. Band, the parrot, brought them joy, so clear. He joined the laughter with a squawk so bright in the jungle, where the day turned into night. As the moon peeked through the jungle leaves, Band sat on a branch with thoughtful greets. He looked at Queen Owl, eyes wide and wide. Thank you for teaching me, Band softly cried. Queen Owl hooted. You're welcome, my dear. You've learned to talk loud and clear. Now it's time to rest those wings in the jungle where the night sings. So, Band found a cozy nest with a lullaby tune under the silvery and glowing moon. He closed his eyes, feathers snug and tight, whispering, Good night, Queen Owl, good night. And so, in the jungle, where the night was still, Band, the parrot, snuggled under the moon's soft thrill, in dreams of words and colours so bright, a sweet good night until the morning light. Once upon a time, in a jungle so green, lived a nice crocodile, Benny unseen. With a big toothy grin and a heart so kind, Benny had a quest, a fun one in mind. One sunny day, as Benny took a stroll, he thought, I've heard of dinos in a rock and roll. I wonder if my cousins, with scales so neat, are having a party where the jungly is sweet. So off he went, with a tail wiggly and a dance, Benny, the crocodile, in a dino trance. Through the trees and under the vines, he hoped to find his dino cousins, with fins. As Benny strolled, a monkey swung by, chattering and giggling, up in the sky. Hey, Benny, where you off to today? Looking for dinos in the jungle's play? Benny grinned. Yes, my dear friend, I'm on a quest, a dino trend. Do you know where they hide and seek? In the jungle, where the trees are unique? The monkey scratched his head with a curious smile. I'm not sure, but try the crocodile isle. Maybe they're splashing in a dino pool, or doing the dino dance. That'd be cool. Benny nodded. Thanks, dear friend. I'll look for clues around the bend. So off he went, with a dino beat, Benny, the crocodile, tapping his feet. Through the jungle, where the leaves did sway, Benny Crocodile continued his dino way. He searched the pond and peeked in the cave, but no dino cousins. Oh, what a rave! As Benny walked, a parrot flew down, with feathers so bright in orange and brown. "Hey, Benny, heard you're on a quest, looking for dinos, the jungle's best?" Benny nodded. "Yes, my feathered friend, I'm on a dino hunt, a jungle trend. Have you seen them, with scales so fine? Maybe near a dino grapevine?" The parrot squawked, "I haven't a clue, but try the jungle's dino barbecue. They might be roasting dino marshmallows, where the laughter flows and the jungle bellows." So off Benny went, with a determined snout, hoping to find his dinos without a doubt. Through the bamboo and over the hill, he searched for clues with a dino thrill. But as he walked, a rustler so near, Benny's ease widened, his heart did cheer. A family of dinos, in a cozy glade, with scales so bright in the dino shade. Benny grinned. "Hello, my kin. I've been searching for you. Oh, what a din. I'm Benny, your cousin, in scales so grand. Let's play and dance in the jungle sand." The dinos cheered with a dino roar as Benny joined them on the jungle floor. They stomped and clapped with a dino beat in the jungle, where the laughter was sweet. But as the day turned into a dino night, Benny felt a yawn. Oh, what a sight! "Dino cousins, I've had a blast, but now it's time to rest and sleep so fast." The dinos nodded. "Rest well, dear Benny. Dream of jungles and dinos aplenty. In the morning light, when the sun's so bright, we'll play again in the jungle's light." So Benny found a cozy spot under the moon's soft glow, curled up with his dino cousins in a jungle row. He closed his eyes with a sleepy grin, whispering, "Good night, dear dinos, kin." And so, in the jungle, where the night was still, Benny, the crocodile, snuggled under the moon's soft thrill. In dreams of scales and laughter so bright, a sweet good night until the morning light.